Hello and welcome to the Karnataka State Basketball Information Portal system. And this is a short video that we have created for assisting players to enter data into the portal. And that's a big database system which is being created particularly for all those players who are registered with the Karnataka State Basketball Association. And we are also going to add others like the former state players and other referees, coaches, phase by phase. So let's get into the system. And now in your opening screen of your mobile, you may want to use a browser to get in. So one of them could be the Chrome browser, or it could be Safari browser, depending on which phone you are using. So let me start with the Safari browser. I will click on this and then I will get this opening page. This is the place on the top where you need to enter the link to get into the portal system, and I will click on that and I will start typing the link. Okay, so it's called portal.karnatakabasketball.in, and now it has come up here, and I will click on the go button or whatever kind of arrow or button which may be available in your mobile. You can click on that, and now you have got into the mobile app through which you can add the data. Now on the top there are two facilities available here. The left side, the three lines you see here, that is called the menu system, and the right side is the one icon through which you can log into the system. And below this, what you see is the home page, and it is the dashboard being visible to you. So dashboard has a lot of information like all players, male, female, national players, international players. The data is just being added, so whatever data shown here is very, very small in numbers. So don't go by what is visible here. You also have a small chart which shows how many people are below 170 centimeter, how many are above 182. 182 means 6 feet or something. So we are just keeping track of how many tall players are there and all that. And then you may also have a pie chart to show how many clubs we have, what kind, PSUs, public sectors, private clubs, government and all that. So this is the initial opening page just for your reference. And as we go forward, you will see more and more information being added here, and it will become more and more interesting to you. And as of now, we are adding data of players. Later we will add for coaches, referees, physios, all kinds of people who are part of the support system will be brought into the system. Now to get into the system, what you need to do is go to this icon, green icon, click on that, and you will see the login button. Click on the login button, and now you have got the user ID password that you need to type. And remember, the user ID password is already sent to you in your message, so please use that. The user ID will be typically starting with KA-PL- some number, and password is same as your mobile number. So let me now enter the user ID password. Okay, so now enter the password. Now you can click on the login button. There is an option to save password. If you want, you can save it on your mobile. If not, you can say not now. And if you save, it will be useful because next time when you want to log in, it becomes very easy. But the choice is yours. So now I have got into one player data, but still the dashboard is same because this is common for all the people. And now if the same icon has changed, this should show actually the photo of the player who has logged in. But right now we don't have the photo, so it just shows a dummy here. And if you click on this, there is a logout, you can exit, and there is also a profile setting where you can update your password. So this is the most important thing. that whenever you want to change your password, you can type the new password and click on update, it will get changed. This upload image is available even otherwise, so not very important right now. We will add few more things here later, but update password is an important feature which you can use. Similarly, now I will click on the menu, and then I will see there is I can go back to the dashboard, or I can click on menu and come to data, click on data, and under this you see the player profile. Now if you click on the player profile, it will show some information here which you can scroll down. Okay, not very much. I think you can finish this whole thing if you do very fast within maybe 5 minutes or so. So the first one is some data is already visible for this player called Shreyas. So we have selected random one of the player whose actual data is there, and just want to show you how to edit it. So if you want to edit, for example, you want to put a photo here, you can click on the edit data first. If you click on the edit data, now you will find that all the information has become editable except player ID and I think club, the club name you can't edit. So remaining all is editable. You can enter anything here, whatever is the right data you want to enter. So now for photo, for uploading photo, you have two choice. So either you can upload a photo which is already there in your gallery, pick some photo which is already there, and if not, please make sure you load it first and then come here. The second option is you can even take a selfie. So let me click on choose the file, and then depending on your mobile phone, it says photo library or take photo. Take photo is your selfie. So let me try the first one. So now it shows me my gallery. Suppose this is my photo, which is again a dummy. So that photo comes here, and then I will say choose. So that photo has come here, right? So this is how you can upload photo. And now if you go down further, there is a proof of age. There is a provision you can again upload here. This proof of age is mandatory for those who are below 18 years because there are many tournaments happening which are age wise, and those up to 19, that is below 18. And in case you are participating in any such tournaments, state level or national level or international level, then you need to upload your proof of your date of birth. Typically they look at a proof which is given within 2 years of your birth. For example, if you are 2012 or 2008 born player, then if you are 2008 born, then within 2010, year 2010, you should have got a certificate that has to be uploaded, which means typically the government corporation certificate seems to be the nearest one, but there may be other alternatives. Please check with the KSBBA official and make sure that you load the certificate so that it can become a proof, or it can be used to check your date of birth whenever required. Okay, if you are above 18, then it's your choice. You can upload the age proof. It might be required sometimes for creating passport and all that. So from there onwards, now the other field to be entered is the player ID, which is fixed. You can edit your, you can just click on this and you can change, you can edit your name if there is a spelling mistake, parent name, your gender, date of birth in the same format, 24-July-2007. Please make sure the format is same. Height in centimeters only. Don't put the height in feet and inches. Please calculate. For example, 6 feet 0 inches is about 182 centimeters. So you can round off to nearest centimeter and put it there. Your weight in kgs, your mobile number, very important, and your email ID. Please check email ID spelling properly, and if there is any connection. Your club name is already there, which is fixed in the database. In case this has to be changed, you need to approach the office of the Karnataka State Basketball Association and put a formal request, which is typically done all the time. And what is your current engagement? Are you a student? Are you professionally working somewhere? Or a doctor, or engineer, or IT professional? Anything, please put it here so that it will be useful. And how much, till what qualification you have completed, your degree, your you are in school or in college, you have done everything completed. Then also put whether what is your representation. Since you are already a club level player, so we have ticked it already. In case you have played at national level, you can tick it, and national, and if you have also played international, you can tick depending on whatever is your right data. Then sports representation, there are a few things given here in which one you have played and all that. I think for time being you can leave it. We will see later how to push it from the back side. But if you know there are a few championships which are entered here, you can select in case you have played in any of them. You can select by clicking on that and then getting it added there. Okay. And then any awards and recognition for example, Ekalavya Award or National Award or Karnataka Dasara Award. So there are so many awards. If any award that you have received at maybe school, college level or state level or national level, international level, you can enter here. If you have done any coaching assignments as a coach for the club, for the state team or anything, you can enter here. If you have also done any referee assignments, if you are a certified referee and all details can be put here. If you have been a physio, then you can put those things. At the end, you can click the submit button and all your data will get uploaded. Okay. So once you submit the button, this will get uploaded. I'm not going to click on that because I have made some changes here since I have put some photos and all that. So I've done this, and once you have done all these things, please don't forget to log out. Okay. So and then it will come back to login, or you can exit from here. So this is how you upload your data into the system, and please make sure your data is properly checked and you can edit it. You can again, suppose you forgot something, you can come back and upload it second time. The old one will be retained, nothing to worry. And finally, if you still have any doubts, clarification, either you talk to your club secretary because he or she would have been already updated with all details, or you get back to the KSBBA office and they will help you out. Thank you for listening, and we'll sure come back to you with more interesting things. Your feedbacks and suggestions are also welcome, that you can directly send it to the KSBBA office. Thank you and bye.